Ready to unleash your inner architect and build a collaborative Minecraft world with your friends, all without spending a dime. First, head to Minecraft.net and download the Minecraft server software specifically designed for Java Edition. Make sure you're grabbing the server jar file. Now, create a new folder on your desktop. Let's call it Minecraft server and drag that downloaded jar file right inside. This will keep everything organized. Next, open TextEdit and paste a simple Java command into the document that will launch the server. You can find this command in the description box below. Adjust the amount of RAM allocated to the server based on your max capabilities, then save the file as start command inside your server folder. Open terminal and use the cd command to navigate to your new Minecraft server folder, then type mod+x start command to make the file executable. This allows you to run the server with a click. Double-click that start command file, which will generate a few new files. You'll need to open EULA and change EULA equals false to EULA equals true to accept the Minecraft end user license agreement. Save the file, and then run start command again. This is the trickiest part: port forwarding. Access your router's settings, usually through a web browser, and find the port forwarding section. Create a new rule that forwards port 25565, both TCP and UDP, to your max local IP address. You'll find your local IP address in System Settings under the Network tab. Finally, find your external IP address using a website like Watismiapum and share it with your friends. They can use this IP, along with the default port 25565, to connect to your awesome new Minecraft server. Have fun.